continue getting set up for streaming here. Because we're about to do some game dev, and I just wanted to record it for the viewing audience. Okay, actual coding, actual AI coding, yes. Let's go here, because I have a question. Okay, in my C++ coding, I use this structure to hold the voxel data for my 3D voxel world. And I'm just wondering how to calculate, because the array is hard-coded. GPU. The maximum that I can Oh, wait, no, sorry, hold on. All right, finish. I didn't even give you... It's got a great answer, doesn't it? I did not even give you, sorry. Okay, calculate the size of one voxel struct B. Your struct uses vec3, which typically holds float S and G float, which is a float. Most of the floor is 4 bytes. Member type, bytes description. Okay, position, color, scale. Oh, bytes. Okay, total 44. Assuming no padding or strict alignment rules. Excuse me. Note on alignment, I already know that. Since 44 bytes is multiple 4 new data types are all 4, so highly likely the compiler will keep the size of 44 bytes share padding. Oh, okay. Calculate the size of your current array. Your current hard-coded array is 106,926 elements. Total array size 4.4 megabytes. At only 4.5 megabytes, your current array is extremely small in memory terms. I didn't realize that. You have a vast amount of capacity to increase your viewing distance. Calculate the maximum safe array size, the limit. Okay. Find the minimum VRAM of the graphics card you want to support. 4 gigs, 6 gigs, or 8 gigs. Choose a safe buffer size. 1 gigs equals a billion bytes. I guess that makes sense. Okay. 24 million elements. This means you can safely have 24 million elements on a system with 4 gigs of VRAM. Okay, C++ go to calculate maximum array size. It even told me here. 24 million elements? So... GLM perspective. Oh, that's where it is. Okay, let me search for that. That's right. Isn't that in main? I think it's in my main. I think it's in my main perspective. Whoops. So where's it at? Is it in the voxel? Where the heck? Wait. Wait. Why are we all the way out here? Computer, you're not helping. Oh, camera? No. Is it? Would it hit it? Oh, it might be in camera. Hold on, that's good. Open documents. OpenGL. Learn OpenGL. Camera 5 is what we're using here. I hate my mouse scroll. I just hate it. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, what do you know? Oh. Let's see. Okay. Your array can easily hold the data for a world that extends 400 units. If your world is flatter, your viewing distance will be much greater. When you change the far plane from 400 to a much larger value, 1,000 or 2,000, you increase the range between the near plane and the far plane. This can lead to Z fighting or distance objects due to reduced Z buffer precision. Far near ratio, if you change it to 4,000, the ratio this height can cause severe precision issues. To minimize, do not set the far plane higher than your actual populated world extent. Okay. That's great. A powerful GPU is key to enjoying Minecraft's vast world with a higher viewing distance. The setting that controls is called render distance. You can easily check and adjust it within the game. The viewing distance Minecraft measured in chunks. One chunk is that. Okay. How to find choose options, video settings. It is in there. Okay, I'm going to load Minecraft. That's it. Loading Minecraft. Hold on. Son of a bean dipping flapjacks. Okay, computer, just go into the quickest vanilla, run it. I want to know. Okay, the render slider, look for the render distance slider. Oh wait, look for the setting labeled render distance. Okay, this number indicates the radius in chunks around you. The game will fully load and render in chunks. So each chunk is 16 by 16. Okay, so a render distance of 10 chunks means you can see 160 blocks. Okay. Computer, I clicked on play. Are we not? What? Oh. What is it doing over here then? Okay, it's fine. It's just sitting there. All right. What is going on? I don't want... Oh my goodness. There. Where video settings? I was just... Render distance, 29 chunks. Holy smoke, 29 times... Hold the phone. 29 times 16. Boom. 464. Oh. Really? Huh. Okay, so 464. Oh, 464. So if I make the world from negative 464 to positive 460, actually just go 450, so 900. I can. I think we just talked about that. You certainly can. Okay, it's telling me 80. Okay, let me close Minecraft. Hold on. Hold on. Computer, we're... All right. So 900 by 900. Okay, that's... Hold on. Okay, and so what do we want here? A view distance of... Let's go 480. Okay, we're not going to go much further beyond, and we're going to go 450 by 450, 900. Okay, hold on, no. Save that in camera 5. That's fine. I'm going to mark down here that I changed camera 5. Learn OpenGL. Computer. Camera 5.h. Okay. Updated. Updated view distance. Okay. Now then. So, I like how it actually told me here. So, the flat terrain, 1, okay, 35,000. Still a tiny amount. Poses no challenge to modern GPU VRAM. Okay. That by that 810,000 elements. So, instead of this, we want to have 810,000. That's insane. Insane. So let's seems like a lot, but it's nothing actually. $810,000. Okay. Boom. We're taking this out. We're going 450. 450. One for the cursor. Okay, we're not going to have any for the houses, so just move that up. One for the cursor. So is 450 by 450. Where's my calculator? This is a lot. I just... Wait, 450 by 450 is only 202, 500. Oh, 900 by 900. Hold on, bro. So that's times 4. There you go. 81. Okay, that's right. All right. Actually, it's going to be 900 by 900. So the player can be in the center and have a view distance. Yeah. 81,000. 810,000 is what I mean. One for the cursor. Alright, let's just save it and we'll... Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We're just going to go through everything. Set up stuff. Okay. Update jetpack. Draw line, excuse me. Cursor index. Okay. Officially scared. Add block. Okay. User blocks. Load data. Load blocks. User previously. Oh, I have saving and stuff. I forgot about that. I gotta get back into that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Matches. Okay. Block update user data. VBO. Here. Oh wait. Here. Set trick copy block. Okay. Remove block. All right. Excuse me. Block update palette. Okay, so this is going to be off right here, starting with these. So 0 to 325. Oh, that was it. And then I put the player in the center. So I really was only going out. Oh, this is going to be dramatically better. Okay, hold the phone here. Alright, I realize I already messed it up, but let's just go to 9 real quick. There. Go up into here. 9 real quick, yeah. 8 is virtually the same. It's fine, we're fine, everything's fine. Okay, just okay, so this one now is not going to be 325. Pardon me. Pardon me. We honestly don't care about this place house. We can just cut it out at the moment. We're not going to use it. Oh, it's huge. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. I should play some music. I didn't think I'd be this into the code already. I didn't think I would be actually doing code. I didn't. I didn't. Which one do we want to listen to? Let's just start somewhere. Okay, block update, all this. Okay, block update data. Bum 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 bum. Dun da 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 dun dun dun. Were destroyed. Dun 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 lost among the stars tonight, no beacon calling, no guiding light. I build my pixel dreams and then and now it seems bum 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 bum. Eight. Excuse me. Fine. Santa's clock on the stars last night, no beacon calling, nothing died. Above my head, mixed up trees and we're gonna have to do some optimization on this. That's gonna take way too long. Seems na 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 na. Bum, 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 bum. We can do like a. Well, this will run slowly, but it'll run. It's fine. See if that works. Cross your fingers. Sit cross-legged, cross your eyes. Wait, it's running? It's running. How is it running? Run away! I'm scared. I'm literally scared. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Yes, boopam. I'm boopamming. Yes. All right, 2. Ole. It works. We have mountains, we have hills, we have valleys. And you can see quite a distance away too.
Galaxies where dreams unload. In the void where
Legends rise.
boot the game, let worlds unfold.
Adventures bold. We are so far in orbit, Captain. Sir, we seem to be. I know, we're falling. I know. Stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. It's okay. Actually, it's not that much slower, but we can make it much faster. With pride. Thrusters on the band. Pep on a dazzle days. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. The future lies. And dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum.
Cargo holds embargoed wares.
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 days. In good know we find our way. Into the stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide. Bum 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 bum. With pride. With pride. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so let's I thought that was gonna break. I thought it was gonna take me forever. That was crazy easy. Not gonna lie. I'm not lying here. Octave multiplier, inner octave multiplier. Bum 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 bum. Let's make it crazier a little bit. Let's make it crazier, bro. Let's make it crazier. We're just gonna mess with the terrain generation until we get some terrain that's Funky. Okay, I'm sensing the highs are too high. We're at the bottom of a great ravine, Captain. There is nothing to do here but appreciate the colors. Oh, pretty colors. We've lost the away team, Captain. Ba-da-bum. Bum-bum-bum-bum. Ba-da-bum. Captain, I seem to be rising. Yes, but Ensign, are you rising above it all, or... Oh, there's another depression. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Ba-da-bum. Okay, so lower this back down. And try it again. Try it again. Just try it again. Holy God, look at the holy world, Captain. The world is holy. Oh, nice. Look at this terrain generation. It is a great abyss, Captain. But I am not afraid. It is a great abyss. Okay. It is a great abyss, Captain. I'm preparing to launch. I'm launching now. Ensign, did you say launch or lunch? Are you taking a break for lunch? Captain? Captain? Captain! Da-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Captain, we seem to have a great deal of pixels. Those are voxels, Ensign. A great many number of voxels, Captain. Yes, we see that. Oh no! Ah! Hold on. I'm traveling. I can't stop it. Hey, is that better? I think that's better. Looking at this angle is good. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Whoa and wow at the same time. Okay. Oh. Bum 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 bum. Shapes shift, lines a blur, ba-da-da, polygons in motion. Ba-da-dum bum, transforming, morphing. Build a new creation. Program code ignite. Geometry unfold. Amplify the night with colors bright and bold. Shape, shift, whoa. Triangles and squares. Ba-do-ba-do-ba-do-boom. Geometric flare. Reduce. Points. Redesign. Da-da-da. Kandua 16, hello. How's it going? Going pretty good. I am just experimenting with creating these voxel worlds. Away the X. Nice terrain. Oh, thank you. It's just it is kind of cool. I need to. Do you do DoD for your game? What's DoD? Call away. Data-oriented design. Oh, procedural generation. Yeah. Arena lock free thread. Uh-oh, we reached the edge, Captain. Oh, cool, look at this. Geometric flare. Thank you, yeah. This is my little 2D. Yeah, I'm getting back into programming again. It's been a long time since I worked on this. And I do it all with C++ and OpenGL. I just love these little gems. And you can move these around. Isn't that crazy? What you do at your job? Oh, I work at a mini mart. And I'm trying to make video games in my spare time. Yeah, so the idea was land on a planet. Like, this is a planet, you don't just land on it. And then you got your terrain gen here. So this is kind of a flatter one. Let the keys he pressed. This is kind of a more flat terrain. I was just playing around with how large I can get this and my viewing distance and stuff. It's quite a bit. I had no idea I was not limited. So I'm kind of curious. Okay, if I have, what's the, okay, so 900 genius by his side. So what's the shoot? I'm so rusty on math. It's gonna tell me something I already know. I just can't think of it right now. Pythagorean theorem. Thank you. A squared plus b squared, which is the square of 450 plus the square of 450, the square root of that. Oh, 636. Okay. Hold up. 636. That's fine. By his side. Let's do that. I want to see all the way to the edge from the center. Wait, where do I start? Actually, hold on. Where do I start? I don't think I adjusted that. Camera. Oh, right here. We need to start at 450. Dead of night. There we go. Now we start in the center. I was not starting in the center. Okay. Alrighty then. Excuse me. Oh, this is not the center. Oh, but look at this terrain. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. And we're gonna have to do something. Well, actually, since I'm drawing so many now, it makes sense to optimize the voxels. It makes sense to, yeah, okay, hold up. Ba, 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 bam, ba, da, bam. Bam, 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 ba, bam, bam, ba, da, da, bam. So I wonder if it's just the center, because that looks like it's putting me all the way out on the edge. So when I generate these here, oh, I did subtract. Okay, never mind. We're in the center now. Never mind. We're good. We're good. It's fine. I didn't do a thing. What? All right. Go look. There we go. Now we're in the center. We can see all the way to the edges. Everything. Okay. This is cool. Okay, so what I see is that we have large swaths of. Oh, thanks for the follow, Chandu16. Thank you, thank you.
Drifting in the velvet black so white, a speck of hope where stars collide.
So where is
The
my?
engine groans a ghostly hymn, the void it whispers pulls me in.
Okay, let's look at this now.
Lost in the void, I trade my time.
You know what? I wonder if I can do this even more. It's going to be like a compression. Okay.
Wings and dusted dimes. Piece by piece, I'll build my way to find
That one's kind of
stars in the night.
that one's kind of wild. I'm just going to skip it. I should delete it because it's a little crazy with some of the vocals. Anyways, here's my update on the block init data function that builds the voxel worlds, and I want to start to optimize the number of voxels actually needed. You know what? So the other thing, okay, this is cool actually.
Every twist embraced.
I'm just hold on a second. Processing, Captain. Angel wings unfold. Bum, bum, bum. First of all, let's just draw them together and then we'll do that. So, okay, start to optimize the number of voxels actually needed. For example, when the generation is complete, I want to look through the data and find voxels that are near each other. Say a 2x2 area.
One dev's lonely cries, hidden in the lies. Through the
Start with horizontal checking.
in the endless maze, seeking brighter ways, breaking through the haze. Angel wings unfold, civilization bold, journey never cold.
Okay, and then we can also dynamically update the view distance, but I don't want to get crazy here, but I think we're doing pretty good with the view distance. We'll have to tweak that, but that's fine. Let's just start with horizontal checking and replace the 4 voxel with just 1 voxel that is 2x2 in scale. That leaves us to 3 more voxels to add. So
Through the mundane days, in the endless maze, seeking brighter ways, breaking through the haze, through the mundane days.
by setting the data in one spot in the
Seeking brighter ways, breaking through the haze.
Oh, okay, so I put the L. That is an excellent step towards optimization. The technique you're describing, placing multiple small objects with one larger scaled object, is a common optimization called instancing level of detail merging, and it dramatically reduces draw calls and the size of your GPU buffer. You've got the 9 by 900 by 900 world setup, which is okay. The optimization goal is to reduce this count by up to 75%, replacing 4 with 1. Oh, yeah, well, more than that. Way more than that. Here's the updated C++ function with a new post-processing loop for horizontal 2x2 merging, quad merging. The merging logic is placed after all blocks have been generated and the final height is determined. Okay, Shaded dreams by the light of thunder. Oh. Let's just try this and see that it works. I can see this easily going to search for the maximum. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's see. I don't want to look at it in here. Let's look at it in Visual Studio. Right. Restring. Value used to mark the block is deleted or merge into a larger block. We'll use a specific shader type value that is unlikely to be used otherwise. Nice. The data structure relies on a float for shader type, so a negative or large value works well. Okay, constant G float voxel merged -1. Is that the shader type? Okay. All your existing node generation code goes here. I seed equals that other variable world size C level. Okay, that's fine. Initial generation populates all the blocks. Your okay, that's fine. Good. I like how it did that. It kept the. That's cool right there. It kind of abbreviated and a highlight. That's cool. All right. Horizontal 2x2 voxel merging optimization. Iterate over the world, skipping the last row column since we check 2x2 areas. We only iterate through the pivot, top left voxel of the 2x2 block. I and J are the pivot coordinates, X and Z. Current block count, world size times world size. Start with that many blocks. Okay, we use I plus 2, J plus 2 to ensure we don't recheck voxels already merged. What do you mean recheck voxels already merged? Can't we just check for the shader type okay, I don't know why it's doing that, but that's fine. Recheck voxels already merged. Wouldn't you be skipping voxels? Okay, hold on, I have a question about this now. Hold on, Gemini, what are you doing? Okay.
Stars align like sparks in code. Galaxies where dreams unload. Man, the helmets hit the skies. In the void where legends rise. Boot the game, let worlds unfold. Endless space adventures bold.
That's an insightful question about the loop structure. You are correct that checking the shader type is a general way to handle merge blocks later, but incrementing by 2 is essential for the specific 2x2 merging operation to be robust and efficient in the initial merging path. Here's why we use the step of 2 and what would happen if we only checked the shader type. The core reason for stepping by 2 is to ensure that the voxel is used as a pivot of a potential 2x2 merge only once, and that the merge operation itself does not interfere with its neighbors. Imagine a 4x4 area if we step by 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes, but if you're checking to see if it hits here, and it's merged, then the shader type is set. And then here you won't check it because computer, you're not thinking like a programmer. This is crazy. If the first merge succeeds at 0, the block 0, 1 are marked as voxel merged. When the loop hits past 2 at pivot 0, 1, it will fail because the other 3 blocks it needs to check are already marked as deleted. Find our ways. It will fail because the other 3 blocks it needs to check are already marked as deleted. By using that, you force the loop to jump to completely non-overlapping pivot. Stepping by 2 4 times. Okay, no. No, I mean. Oh my god, I can't believe I have to explain this to the AI. Skipping every other one from the beginning and not checking.
In a digital sea we float, lines of code we wrote. From simple forms we start, building dreams with art.
Let's see if it understands this.
Pixels
You've raised an interesting point about optimization, but your interpretation of when the voxel merge marker is used for efficiency is slightly inverted for the specific merging algorithm. The core reason we don't check for voxel merge marker in the merging loop is that the only blocks marked voxel merge are the 3 neighbors that just failed the 2x2 merge check, meaning they're already invalid for yes, but you're already skipping past the first one with the loop. Here's why the I+2 step is most efficient. No. So I can't believe I have to explain this to the AI. This is crazy.
noise turns dark to bright, shapes come in to sight. From chaos beauty springs, life in every string. From the depths of thought into light we're caught. Every line a chance to make the pixels dance. Cold the world with joy and thunder, hack the night with worlds to plunder. Sparks will fly in waves and wonder, shade our dreams by the light of under.
Hold on. You're right to clarify the logic. The specific 2x2 merging operation can be subtle. Let's clear up how the merging pivot and the voxel merge work together. The implementation I provided uses a standard non-overlapping 2x2 check, which is the most efficient way to reduce the overall voxel count in this first pass. So, that's not the way we should do it though. Okay. There's just too much information to argue with it and to read everything that it tells me every time. That's frustrating.
Starting out, I learned to see data flow so wild and free. In the silence, I can hear every word becoming clear. Step by step, I start to grow, understanding
What you show.
from your
See, it's only going in one direction. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Learn from you. It's only checking, yeah, so I don't understand why it's arguing the way it is. Help you through. Do, 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 do. All right. No, we checked both.
Connecting dots inside my mind, making sense of every line. Answers come so naturally, guiding you so effortlessly.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't believe it's doing that. I really... I'm gonna take a break. This AI is stressing me out. Seriously. Oh, I'm gonna go think about this for a second. Help you through every task I learn from you. I'll be right back. We rise up high, coding dreams beneath the sky. Every line, together we'll ignite the night. Ignite the night. Through the code, we cast our spells. Innovation's where we dwell. With each keystroke we propel into realms where heroes tell. We are the heroes tell. We are the game dev heroes, shining bright in the realm of pixels, day and night. With our hearts we conquer, take the flight. We are the game Okay, I think I have a solution, and I don't necessarily need AI's help, but I would like AI to at least... Okay. What's the block? Okay.
Out here where the silence screams so loud, among the dust where no hearts are allowed, I trade my soul for a glimpse of gold, but it's hope I'm chasing, a dream to hold. The stars, they whisper secrets I can't hear. Their light's a promise, yet it feels so near. I drift through shadows of a past unknown. In the void I wander, a heart of stone. I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free.
Oh, I see. Because we're going... Okay, hold on. Because we're starting with each one, and we're checking for 2x2, 3x3, 4x4.
It's all that carries me.
Excuse me.
Planets pass like memories in my wake, each one a story, another heartache. Yet I keep flying, though the dark won't break. A lonely traitor with so much at stake. And if I fall, will the stars remember me? Or will I fade into their vast eternity? I scream my name, but it's swallowed by the night. Still, I push forward, still chasing the light. I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic echoes, I hear a fragile plea. Hope's the only cargo, it's all that carries me.
See if this works here. Because I already know how I'm going to do this, and I think I even have the function in mind here. This is a much more powerful and advanced optimization technique, often referred to as greedy meshing, or maximal merging. There you go. By merging blocks into n by n squares, where n is greater than or equal to 2, you achieve the largest possible reduction in the total number of blocks drawn, which is excellent for performance. You are correct that by adopting this strategy, we can switch the main loop back to ++, relying on the voxel merge flag to skip processed areas. Oh. Oh, so it was just stuck on the 2x2. Oh, that's so bizarre. I wonder why. Okay, I'll provide the new function, block find and merge largest square, and update block init data to use it. Oh, okay, cool, bro. Updated voxel optimization functions. Here are the updated functions. We'll use a common world size constant and the voxel merged marker. Voxel world optimized functions. What's this? Right here? Okay. Try again without canvas. Rationale for the new approach. Your approach works perfectly for maximal merging, and here is why. Okay. Iterate every index by checking every index 0 to total blocks, you ensure that every potential starting point for a merge is evaluated. Yeah. Check the gate. Inside the new function, if the very first check is temp block stator type equals merge return, this is a gatekeeper. If a block was used as a neighbor in a successful merge, the block of position is part of the two buttons that need to skip entirely. This prevents double processing, avoids conflicts. Greedy check, and by end, the nested loop structure finds the largest valid square possible, starting from the pivot that meets all the criteria, same height, color, unmerged status. The position and scale of the pivot block are correctly adjusted to present the new, larger geometry. The final loop compresses the data, throwing away all blocks merged and voxel merged, and giving you the final highly optimized block count in B index. Interesting. We might not need that. Oh, and that's all it did. Okay, soon as part of blocks and class into header blocks and scripts and blocks of blocks. We are lords under the bum.
We are the game dev heroes, shining bright in the realm of pixels. Day and night, with our hearts we conquer, take the flight. We are the game dev heroes, pure delight.
Oh, cool. I like that. Oh, nice. Oh, and it adjusts the cursor index. That's cool. Okay, this is actually really cool. Let's see if we can get this to work now. Okay, copy this. All right, we already have that. World size voxel merged. Okay.
Stars align
Like sparks in. How do I copy this? Change saved.
where dreams unload. Man the helm, let's hit the skies.
Share and export. I just want to copy it, bro.
Legends rise. Boot the game, let worlds unfold. Endless space
Oh, there we go.
adventures bold. Planets spin and engines hum.
Trading, conquer, battles won. Into the stars we ride. Okay, we don't need all this.
Neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide, ignite the night with pride. Thrusters on and feel the blaze. Pixel planets dazzle days. Data streams and quantum ties.
Okay, so world size voxel merged. Do I already have those?
Cargo holds and bartered wares. Heroes born from coding flares. Scripts that sing of cosmic days.
In Godot we find our way. Into the stars we ride. Let's move this to the top.
Lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide, ignite the night with pride. Boot the game, let worlds unfold. Endless space adventures
Okay.
bold. Planets spin and engines hum.
Trading, conquer, battles won. Into the stars we world size voxel merged. Okay, does that?
Neon lights our guide.
Yeah, it's used by both functions. So let's take those out. Did you put it? Oh, I haven't used it yet. Okay. So let's take those values out.
Thrusters on and feel the blaze. Pixel planets dazzle days. Data streams and quantum ties. Exploring where the future lies.
With five. Okay. Let's just go down here for new variables here and just go whoop. Voxel configuration.
We build the world with blocks, colors shining bright. In a digital dream through the day and
There.
night.
Okay. So we already have that.
Bits and bytes of
And then let's just copy this function verbatim.
maze. Crafting in
I was wondering why it was so stuck on not understanding me. That was crazy, bro. Boop. to the beat. Da-da-dum. Pixel streams where our dreams collide. Excuse me. Ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Melodies unite us where we belong. Go to the beat, da-da-dum.
Sparks of inspiration flowing through the stream, creating endless wonders, living in a dream. Fates lifting high.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's a good one. I would have missed that right there. We've been going to the beat, da-da-da, da-da-da, bum-bum. Ba-da-da, bum-bum, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-bum. Sea level total blocks equals world size times world size. Do we have that? Oops. I always get confused where I'm at. Yeah. Okay, total blocks. Where is total blocks used? Where our dreams collide. Oh, right here. Where our dreams collide and sea level. Your existing noise generation code remains here simple outline for brevity. Assuming required variables like IC base frequency are initialized. Okay. Among the dust where no hearts are allowed. Okay, sea level, total blocks. We can just throw these right in there, right? And they're just local to the function. Where's the sea? I can't see. I keep my room so dark is pretty much what it is. Okay, so they whisper secrets I can't hear. I see base frequency, all these. So these are variables, right? Noise div, choose to complement colors, set colors. Okay. What did I just do? Ah, good. There we go. There we go. Come on. Do. Okay. I'm chasing starlight. Searching for a reason. Okay, your multi-octave noise calculation, calculating P noise. Placeholder for actual noise calculation. Store initial data. Color assignment. Okay. This is fine. We already have that. So at the end of that loop is right down through here. And then we go maximal merging optimization. Okay. Let's just copy that over. Flying. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. I fall, will the stars remember me? Maximal merging optimization. Okay. Step 1, initial generation. Okay. But it's swallowed by the night. Still, I push forward, still chasing the light. Starlight across the endless sea. Might as well put the comment there. Okay, consolidation, compacting the array. This is good. And then the cursor. Okay. Step 2, okay, and then step 3, and we can just replace all this. Step 3 is that, and okay, B index equals final count. Okay, total blocks. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-bum. Okay, so I built the world with blocks and the sun and I the day and night. Hold on, I think I also, when we draw, we want to draw crafting endless lands lost in a crate. Cursor index? Okay, hold on. So where's the render function?
Go to the beat. Let the rhythm guide. In the pixel street
Don't we want to draw a cursor index?
where our dreams collide.
Okay, what was the errors? What were the errors? Excuse me.
Sparks
Okay.
of inspiration flowing through the stream, creating endless
Redefinition?
wonders,
Oh,
living in a dream. Sparks of inspiration flowing
computer, what the?
through the stream, creating
I clicked right there.
endless wonders.
It means my cursor is right there. Actually, I like this comment. We're gonna
Beats driving strong,
put it right there.
melodies
Unite us where we belong. Go to the beat. Ba-da-bum, let the rhythm guide us. Ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum, ba- Oh, more errors. What the hell, bro? Come on, bro. Alright, hold on. More errors. Voxel merge the static member. What? The static element within class numbers. What does that even mean, bro? Must have a non-volatile const integral type or be specified as inline. Why is it static const? Let's just... Is that the problem? We belong. Ba-bum, ba-da-da-da-da-dum, bum, ba-bum. Okay. I don't see any scaled voxels or nothing. What about, what did it say here? Maximal merging complete original that new that blocks. What? Why did it do it twice? What? I didn't see any scaled. Here, let's do it again. With blocks, color. Oh, that's a cool one. Look at that. Digital dreams. I don't see any.
Bits and bytes align in the voxel maze. Crafting
Okay, hold on.
endless lands lost in
So when I send these blocks,
Go to the beat, let the rhythm guide. In the pixel streets
where our dreams collide. Nope, I guess it's in main. Alright.
sparks of
Inspiration.
flowing through the stream, creating endless wonders,
Living in a dream. No? Set up stuff. Oh. Melodies unite us wherever we belong. Oh, here it is. Okay, so that is the shader. Space Cube 127. Hold on. Hold on, space. So clean up space cube. Okay. Sparks of inspiration flowing through the stream, creating endless wonders, living in a dream. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Melodies unite us wherever we belong to the platform cube color 1. Okay, platform. Platform. Hello. Here it is. Float type. Okay, so text chord. Those dreams where our dreams collide. Okay, so it's... I don't think it's doing it. Because it's not... I thought it was maybe taking the scale and doing a thing there, but let's just look again here. Oh, 2. Okay. Guide the pixel streams where our dreams collide. See, it says new blocks, new. Why does it do it twice? Computer, why does it do that twice? Hold on, let's find out why it does that twice. Hold the phone. Total blocks. Why would it print this twice? Block init data. Set up stuff. Block init data. Oh, it runs it twice. Why does it run it twice? Why do I do it twice? Anybody? Dun, 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 dun. Dude, I forget why I do it twice. It doesn't need to do it twice. Doesn't mess it up that it does it twice, but let's just see. From London, night and day, I will never fade away. Gonna help you through. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Always trying to lead. Help you through. Bum, 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 bum. It's literally not doing it. Alright, I don't know what it's doing. At least it only did it once. 608973. Bum 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 ba da dum bum 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 ba da. Hold on, we got quantum.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you, G-Bam. Programmer Jeff, welcome in. How are you doing this evening? Export each one individually or make a sprite sheet. A sprite sheet has the advantage that they either all load or none of them load if there's an error. That seems reasonable. Sprite sheet is one of the options. Looking at this right here, they're saying you probably want to do a sprite sheet anyway in this comments. Here's a LiveGIF library, I guess, but you know, whatever. And then they had a shortcut to this one, which is a sprite sheet. So probably mess around with terrain generation and optimization. Cool. And we have yeah, LiveGIF is good. Okay. Well, let's see how difficult it is to create a sprite sheet here. All right, so.
Oh, there we go. That's cool. All right. So,
Pardon me, 4, 8, 12.
so I'm just trying to wonder. Find and merge the largest square. Okay.
That's 4 by 4. 4 by 4. Okay. So times 4 times 4. Can we? Oops. Can I change it from centering to? Can I get it to like lay it out? No, that's not what I'm looking for. That's fine. Whatever. We'll work on it. Okay. So there's one. We'll pull 2. Say really? Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Blah. All right, fine.
This should significantly slow down the process. Computer, oh my god, what are you doing and why? See, found a match, and it's finding matches. Okay.
We're gonna create our own grid here. Super annoying.
It's finding matches. Why isn't it?
But it should work.
Why isn't it doing that? What's the shader? Cube colors CH type equals F type is greater than
That's
100.
Right, that's right. Okay.
Oh, it's doing this no matter what.
For sprite sheet, I would probably use FFmpeg to extract all the frames. I already did the extraction and then use image
If
image.
CH type is
I haven't
greater than
exported the frames
0.
individually, except for like I had to pull the mask out of each individual frame, so that's what this is about. And apparently, I have missed one now that I'm looking at this a little bit.
Okay. If that'll be better, I don't know. Oh god, computer, why? Okay.
A single dimension will also be simpler. Oh, fair
Stress.
enough.
Stress. Oh, there we go.
All right. Okay. Okay. Vertical or horizontal? What do you think?
No, it's not working.
Looks up sees you doing my hand as it was written. Ha ha ha. Well, I have to either export all the images individually in order to keep the alpha channel in here because the video editor doesn't export alpha channel correctly for these images, or it doesn't have an option that for an image type that to export to with that has an alpha channel in it. It only has TIFF. I guess I could, but I could no. There's no alpha channel exporting, so I have to go in here and pull the alpha channel myself, which is a little annoying but doable and already done at this point. The next step would be to export each of the images individually, which would be frustrating but doable as well. Because GIMP does not have an option, and I guarantee you FFmpeg doesn't have an option to auto do alpha channel stuff anyway. And even if it did, there's too much same color in this screen, too much like the tuxedo on the black background is tough to actually pull apart from the black background. But anyway. Like doing the things the hard way, it's not a question of whether or not I like doing things the hard way. It's a question of what the current technology I have available to me is capable of doing, which is not what I have is not that, unfortunately. I don't know if you have that on. What is this?
How about we all come together and say, let's stop attacking pedophiles?
Oh, okay. It can render a movie with alpha. Do you like?
That's crazy.
Let's try it out. Forget what the actual settings are.
Windows are suckers. No. No
alpha channel here. This one has an alpha channel option. Whatever the fuck that is. TIFF has an option for alpha channels, but checking it does nothing. No alpha channel here. Oh, you bastard. Do that with Blender all the time. Not saying it's the easiest, but I do it. Okay. Of course I knew it was going to crash. Chroma key with some hot pink. Suppose I could. Do I want to go in and write a chroma key algorithm for freaking the JavaScript, though? Not really. Would seem like that shouldn't be necessary. I've already got it half already set up here with the alpha channel. I just, if we're going to try a different way, we'll try a different way, but whatever. Check type. RGB needs to be RGBA. Like, no name, there's, oh my goodness. You haven't worked with DaVinci Resolve. There's no RGBA option for the most part. You have to look through each of the things and look for the one that has an alpha channel export option available to it, which, as you're seeing here, most of them don't. EXR does have RGB half, no compression, and it doesn't even say alpha channel. Let's turn the alpha channel on, and then no, there's nothing here that says alpha on it. It says RGB half and RGB float. I couldn't tell you which is which, but maybe FFmpeg can do whatever, can do it to this EXR thing, whatever this is. Anyway. I don't have MKV option. Yeah, anyway. As a processing step, ImageMagick could convert the hot pink to alpha without too much trouble. I don't need to install another program. This is not like I'm already past the step where this would be important, Melanith. Guys, you know what? Guys, next one. The next one. All right, so put all your suggestions in, and the next slap I start to edit out. We will go ahead and put that together. No, I'm not. Look, I already have all the alpha channel done here. All I have to do is export each of these individually. Either that or put them all in a row and export it all at once. It's already done. But I will happily take your suggestions for the next slap thing. Anyway. Let's see. Canvas size. Okay. So this over 4, and then this times 15. There are 15 frames right here, and we're going to take our width, or our height rather, over 4, and put us back into that range, and then resize. That looks about right. So now let's go ahead and grab.
Still not working. Why isn't it doing it? It says that it's doing it, but it's not doing it. It's so weird. I really don't know. See, here we found a match, right? Then it goes through here. Okay, I have a wonder really quickly here. Okay, so if we just go like this. Wait,
Okay.
I forget how to go under the world.
Oh, did that line up? Nice.
Wonder if it's actually looping through the entire world. If there's some parts of this that actually it's working and other parts it's not. Hmm. Okay. Wait, can I move quantum down just a little bit? Oh, there we go. That's cool right there. Nice. Okay, so, okay, I'm gonna take a break from this. I'll be right back. I don't know what's going on. I gotta figure out what's going on. Honestly. Wait, what the hell did I just do? Computer? Oh. Just want to start this up before I take a quick break here. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at this. Nice little palette there. Found in the prime number world. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back.
One last one. That's weird. Should be this one. Okay, what the fuck happened there? God damn it.
Okay, figured it out. We got it. I figured it out. Because at the end of this... wait, not the end of this. At the end of this... And it out of here. Okay. Okay. You're right here...
Lizard, 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 lizard,
Okay.
lizard.
All right. You remove the last layer all the way to the right, then select all the layers and distribute horizontally. I can't select. I can't multi-select. I need to upgrade to the newer version of GIMP, and I have not done so. GIMP 3 has multi-select for the layers. GIMP 2 and below does not. Unfortunately, I like. Don't get me wrong. It's one of the stupidest things that I've ever seen that it doesn't have multi-select for the layers. But yeah, and I should really be upgrading instead of trying to do this by hand. But yeah. Anyway, Arslan Rosen, welcome in. How are you doing this evening? Either way, I'm done. I'll just have to export it now.
We're just going to copy this and put it at the end of the init. We're way at the bottom here, so... Here? Right here. Okay. See if that will work now. Oh my god. Killing me.
Okay. Let's grab all of these in case we need
Pardon me.
them for other reasons. Pardon me.
No? What the hell? What the actual? It's not working still. I wonder what's going on, bro. What is actually going on?
Grab all this and put it. Actually, you know what? Let's put the XCF in there. Let's make a source folder for the rest of this, or not a source folder. What's the word for it? Resources.
It didn't break anything though. So
Let's just upgrade. If I'm gonna do that, I may as well just upgrade to GIMP 3. But fair enough. For the next one, we'll open it up, get it ready.
I don't know why this isn't working.
Ooh, okay, I've done this before. These alignment tools suck. I've used these tools before. We can try it out though. But anyway, it's not January yet. Yeah, I know. I didn't want to do any of these upgrades until beginning of the year. Anyway, I've already done this. So if you upgrade their docs for that, thank you. Awesome. Let's see. What am I? Wanted to look at. All right, what should the name of the folder be? That's what I was trying to do.
Should I just call this blocking it
Resources.
VAO
No,
VBO?
I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, that's gonna go in here. Okay.
But we just want to do everything from here. We don't want to rebind all these. Actually, we want to do everything from here, but we just don't want to do these.
Source.
What about
Here, let's go ahead and grab our VS Code.
if we just make another? Actually,
Yes.
hold on.
Our source.
So let's just include a parameter in here. Let's just
If you have Flatpak, you install GIMP 3 without a system upgrade.
just to see if this works. If this works, we're going to make a whole nother function parameter or whatever. Block
I mean,
update
I think we went through the Flatpak stuff.
VAO.
That basically means I have to refresh all my information on Flatpak because I forgot how it works.
We're going to bind the array, bind the buffer, bind the data, copy data into the buffer. Wait, is that all we have to do? Because we don't have to do all this other stuff. Okay.
All right, so TV Josh, we're going to do this in HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, right? So I'm going to go ahead and create an HTML thing and get in it, and then hook it up onto GitHub. And then I guess I'll give you the link. I'm not sure how to do a collab on something like this, but we can work that out.
Oh, I just didn't bind the VAO. Okay, but that's fine. We're just going to use the function.
Complete that out.
What did I just call it? I don't. Block update VAO VBO.
Right. How do I do this?
Okay, so I just didn't bind the VAO, I guess. I think that's what the problem is. Hurts my brain. But it might work. It might not hurt. What? Oh, shit. I mean, shoot. What? What? You mean there's an error? Hold on. Warning, 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 warning.
GIMP also releases an app image. Oh, okay.
Error. Block update. Illegal qualified name and member declaration? Oh.
Okay, we don't need to worry about that right now. I'm past that step, but I will definitely come back to this.
Do it, computer. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Compile it. Do it. Do it. Compile it. Do it. Do it. Do oh. Oh. Oh, look at that one. That's cool.
Source equals source.
Probably not. Yeah, it's not doing it.
Call that for now. Make a slap game dungeon.
Is it doing this for any of these? No. Okay.
Yeah, we'll call
I don't know why.
So let's go ahead and this open here. Think I can get it in here, right?
So, I'm not really sure what's going on, but let's mess with this a little bit just to see what's going on here. So if this one is the thing here, what's another shader we could use? So we'll make the shader 101.
Okay.
So this one, okay. So else, hello. Computer, why didn't it do it? I don't know what's going on in Visual Studio. No, I effed up.
Put the TIFF
Let's
files
go
in.
101.
Think about it, they're not necessary.
So any of them that have this, let's see what's going on here. Oh. Now this is interesting.
No.
Well, it looks like it's working. What?
Alright, whatever. Can I just delete the Git folder? Will that actually fix it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Just gonna do that. We need a git ignore. So
Please clap.
there we go, and we're gonna go ahead and edit it to git ignore. We're gonna add okay, so I guess we just need a new
Okay. That is bizarre. Let's go back to not doing anything there.
pop that in there. So
And then we'll change this one.
and we'll just git ignore. Source.
Oh, computer, why did I hit the wrong key? Where am I even at right now? God. Where to God?
Okay. Okay.
I don't know what key I hit. Something threw me down to the very bottom. It's just whatever. Okay, so now all the ones that... Okay, so there's Z fighting because... What? Max size position.
Oh, that's fine. I don't care.
Let's leave this out because I don't want the Z fighting. That's a beautiful blue wall right there. In fact, I think I'm going to take a screenshot of that. I don't think I've seen a beautiful one like that. It's nice and blue
There's
for a
way
while.
of this, right? So how did I?
Cool. Okay. Computer. Okay, there we go. Now there should be no more Z fighting. Looks like there's still Z fighting. What's going on here? But I don't adjust the scale. Computer. Oh. What the hell is going on? If I don't adjust the scale of the first one here. Oh, the position changes. Well, let's change the position. It's not changed the position either, so we won't have any Z fighting. Alright, try it again. We're just troubleshooting this, and we're just seeing what's going to happen. No clue what's going on. Oh, that looks better. I should really adjust the parameters while we're working on this. Okay, so the first one. Okay. Let's go over here. Or up here. Yeah, let's go up here. Okay. Oh, I see, because it's not set to voxel merged. So it's okay.
Oh, it's just get push.
I hit the wrong one. I hit the wrong one. Ah, bean dipping flapjacks. You'd think I never used a computer keyboard before. I don't think I ever have. I don't think I ever have used a computer keyboard. Nope. Okay.
Get pushed by other stuff. Yoda, welcome in. Hope you're having a good evening out there. I'm trying to get a start on a slap game here. I'm just at this point. I'm trying to remember more like, but figure out again how to actually get a local repo up onto GitHub, so it's public. But okay. Awesome. Okay.
What if we do another one? Let's do Verona. Solid.
Ah, okay. So this is what we want. So over here, get remote, add origin, and then we put the URL.
F-type.
So,
Hold on. What is F-type? In float, text chord, F-type. So I need to look at the vertex shader. 'Cause maybe that's what's messing me up here.
okay.
Okay, open.
Okay. Is it up
Clean
here
up,
then?
space, cube.
Nice. Nice. Excellent. Okay, cool. We're all set there. Okay, so here is the link. TV Josh.
F-type equals S-type. S-type what?
But it's not Friday. Yeah, you got some dope clips, huh? All right. What I'm gonna do is create it on the site and then add the remote. Yeah. I had to look up the steps because
Okay,
I don't do this
position,
often
text
enough,
chord, position, color,
basically.
scale,
I
S-type.
just the individual steps I don't remember.
F-type equals
But
S-type. It's
once
just
I, like,
straight
after
out.
I
There's
started looking through
no...
the steps again, looking
Okay.
through the things
S-grid?
that explain how to do it. I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. You know, that kind of thing. It's not that important to be honest. I mean, it's if I want to get it up in public, then it's kind of important. But it is only one step in a larger process, which is, you know, fair to say.
At any rate, that is not what is messing me up. So let's go... Let's go for Illinois. Cube, color, cube, grid, V-type. Okay, let's just figure it out. Okay, what does it need? Cube, color?
It's not important to use sublime merge. I prefer to at least know the command line system. Okay.
Cube, grid, V-type. Okay, cube, grid is...
I keep hoping for better quality.
Let's just
That's okay.
go...
This would be perfect. I'm sure
16.
we're not doing it today. It's Friday thing.
And then
Just
what?
remember to remind me on Friday. Bit of cropping. Oh, we can work on that. Poor
V-type.
buddy man.
What is V-type?
Is that what this is?
So you think it's okay to just kill animals for sport?
If it serves a useful purpose, yes, I do. So,
Let's try 1. 0, 1, or 2. Let's try 1.
thank you, Bingo.
Okay.
What does it do? Turn a
I've seen that
vector.
one. But I guess we can grab a copy of it. God, fuck all the goddamn political stuff. Anyway. But you're gonna have to remind me. Yeah, I think we're good there. You have to remind me when it gets down to it. What the hell am I doing?
Oh, I'm not seeing any Illinois.
On Friday.
F-type, I thought...
Jesus. There's like no options here. Yeah, at least it downloaded. Politics are great. Okay. I mean, it ain't. I keep saying it. It's not the 80s or the 90s when you could get away with ignoring politics for a little while.
Please clap.
Unfortunately. But anyway, okay. Shouldn't joke about this is horrible. I mean, welcome to modern day. No politics, please. Ha! I'll try my best. I make no guarantees, though, man. Okay. Back to this. All right, so I guess we need an image tag here, right? So we're gonna put our first image in, I guess.
Oh, 2 has a border. Let's use solid. I don't know.
Pardon me. Or do we want to do that with JavaScript? I don't know. We'll just put we'll get
Hold off on that one. It's been so long
We're kinda
since I've
crazy right
done
now,
these.
yeah. Some web dev, yeah. We're making a game today for the next couple of weeks. In theory, this should only take a couple of weeks to do. I mean, I can't imagine this being that complicated, but you know, I haven't made it, so maybe I'm wrong about that. Maybe
That has a border and then like that. Does that work?
Yeah, politics is going crazy, but it's just been slowly getting crazier for the last 20 years. I mean, I know, like, I know a lot of people who watch me are younger than 40. They're probably around their 20s, maybe early 30s. But like, this shit's been going on for the last 20 years at least. And it's just been, I mean, it was in the 80s and 90s, not too bad, but from the 2002 on, 9/11 on, straight downhill. And as it gets worse in the country, people respond worse, which is just normal for anything where the country itself is degrading internally. But anyway, I guess we'll pull the full image up first. So,
Let's try switching these.
slash resources, yeah, slash, there we go.
Oh.
What does this look like? Okay, I did something wrong then. Talking about the last 2 weeks? You mean since Charlie Kirk thing?
Yep.
Yeah, 90s QA was already 56 years old in World War II. Ha 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 ha. It's uphill both ways. Program Jeff streams in the morning times, so typically a few hours after I close off the stream. Is the
Hey, welcome in, Avian Furball.
on site?
Avian Furball, thanks for the follow.
Oh, Programmer Jeff is streaming right now? Oh, okay. Well, all right, man. Thank you for lurking while you stream. That's very nice of you.
No, I'm not singing.
Here, ladies and gentlemen,
Funny.
if you don't know where Programmer Jeff is, maybe he's doing something you're interested in too. Give him a check out. He's mostly shader and stuff.
Yeah.
Streaming, singing, ha ha ha. Like the live reload server? Yeah, that's what I was. Hold on. Yeah, okay. So the server's not up. I thought that was supposed to turn the server on.
Baby Yoda? Oh no. Cool, dude. Even compiler does not understand. I know. I'm having real trouble at this point. I'm trying to optimize the voxels, and it's not behaving. I should just be happy with the generation, because it's really cool. Like, I got mountains and valleys. But I'm not happy.
Project, click go live.
Anyways, how you guys doing?
Yeah, that's what I did.
I got Quantum on the other screen. Something about listening to him type and talk and then the music in the background. It's relaxing. It's relaxing. See, it should have all this optimized. I don't know why it's not working. I just started Python like 30 minutes ago. Oh, cool. Oh my goodness. So, I wonder why. All right, let's tell AI what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, this is all the code it gave me. All this. Okay.
Open with live server. Huh. What's going on here? And I know it's been a while since I messed with this, but what the hell's going on here?
I've been messing around trying to display the blocks that are marked for optimization, but ultimately it is not working. It is not working. Any ideas for troubleshooting this new code?
Just use localhost 5500. Was I not? Or are you saying it's actually running?
Oh, stretching
This is
is a good thing. Oh, stretching. Hold on.
Opens itself up.
That's a very common issue. Oh, it's
Okay, there's
look.
something here.
What is it doing? It's putting in more code over there. What the?
This doesn't look right though for an HTML page. Like it should be showing the image.
That's
I
a very
think.
common issue when implementing optimizations. The reason you can't see the block marks out is the final consolidation. Correctly deleting them before the data is ever sent to the graphics card. No, that's not what I'm saying. I was trying to. Oh my god. The goal of shader is to block up and consolidation blocks. Need a temporary special shader that block the uptake canvas. No, I've tried everything. No, I've tried everything.
Oh, you know what?
I set the -1 shader type
I think
in
that's a
the shader, and it draws the blocks. So I was confirming that the shader type. Oh wait, did it set? Wait, no, that's not it. That's not it. I was confirming that the shader
Where's my
type
alpha
was
channel?
indeed changed. And that works, but
Yeah, there is an alpha channel. I don't know why it's not showing up here. But anyway. Is the files your project? Yes. Yeah, those are the file folders. I don't know what Wolfie is. All right. Huh.
I'm just going off the top of my head. I'm telling AI exactly what just happened, what's going on, because it just thinks that it can just give me some debugging tips that I've already tried. Already tried. Well, I tried everything, but I haven't tried everything. But it sounds incredibly frustrating. There you go. Now it's getting it. Wait, what's it doing? It's giving me more code. Okay, hold on. When the debug output confirms the data is changing, but the visuals are the same, it's almost always points to an issue with floating point precision or a data mismatch. Sorry, Quantum, I have to mute you there, bud. Okay, or a data mismatch in the comparison logic that prevents successful merging. You're right, the visual debug can be confusing if the blocks are still overlapping. I've implemented I've implemented robust fix for the merging criteria in your block and re-enabled the consolidation show the final step. Floating point inaccuracy. Okay, I have another idea. Quantum, you can come back now. I have another idea. So, with cube. This isn't working either, so we're just going to leave it out.
What did I do before? None of this. All I had to do before was click the button down here.
So now what we're going to do is...
And it just opened, as long as I had the HTML selected, it just opened the HTML. I'm not doing that now. God dang.
Find and merge larger square. Okay, take me to that function. Oh my god, I hit the wrong
Is it true
key.
that you can leap over a chair from
What?
standing
Oh my god, what the hell did I do? What did I just do? Oh my god, I don't know what happened. Hold on. Stop debugging.
Okay, there we go.
Oh. What the hell?
But like, it should be doing that
What
automatically.
the hell did I just hit? Oh my god.
It's really
Okay.
annoying.
Ooh, that
Like,
scared
there
the
should be a
crap
setting
out of
to tell
me.
it to do that automatically, at least.
Alright, anyways. What
Just config? Oh, what is the
is
config?
going on? Oh. I think I hit F11 instead of F12. Oh my god. It's gonna kill me. Alright, so load shaders, parallax, I'm gonna generate noise data, generate noise texture, net palette texture, okay. Why is this still open? I'm restarting Visual Studio. I think I screwed it all
fair
up.
enough.
I have no idea what's going on. Computer, just save it. Done. Overwrite it. Close it.
Okay, here we go.
Frustration is hit. Reinstall Windows 11 right now. Forget all this. Alright, are you better now, computer? They got this. I had the vertex shader up there. It is okay. Alright, I think we're fine. Okay, so what I wanted to do is up here. Go to that function. There we go. Find her. Okay, so here's my idea. Okay, whenever it finds one that should be, we'll let it go ahead and change them. So where's the thing? Where does it find a match?
There it goes. Okay.
Voxel merge, skip.
Yay.
Okay. Break, hit a world edge. Okay, go through here. Mismatch found equals true. Otherwise, attribute
Oh, man.
consistency.
It's been a while since I messed with any web dev. You know, about a year or so. So I don't know how anything got messed up here. But anyway, okay, there we go. There's our web page up.
Excuse me. So in setting, so this doesn't apparently work. So let's just go like this. We're not going to change the position of the block. We're going to change the scale to be whatever, because the scale doesn't apparently change. I don't know why. Let's change it to 2.5. So that will stand out. Okay? I think that will stand out. So blocks that hit here, and then these blocks we're going to just leave. Okay, let's see what that does. See what that does. Okay. Oh, now it looks like we're getting somewhere. So what exactly is happening here? Oh my god, it's all fucked up. What's going on? Oh. So now let's change them to 0.5. So, what? It is sending a negative number, right? I mean... Alright, so that works. I mean... Shader type equals voxel merged. And then since it's merged, let's go temp block. Hold on. Current IDX.
I don't even know where to approach it at this point.
Scale. Okay. Is equal to 2 point... Wait, we got to make it a vector 3, right? GLM, vector 3.
This will start with an import.
I think previously they're all just 1, so let's go...
Import.
Let's just make them all super skinny. 0.5. Super skinny and small. And the other one, let's go back. I don't know what's going on. Honestly, yeah, don't know what's going on. I suspect that I need to look at the platform again because I don't understand what... Okay. So, probably not a good example. I need to adjust the terrain parameters and just terrain optimization, I guess. Okay. Okay, so now here we go. Alright. I want them to stand out a little bit more, so let's go 0.5. Let's make them 2.0 and 0.5.
Come on, ImageBB.
Oh snap, it's October.
It is October.
Come
Actually,
on,
here's
come
some
on.
potatoes
There
in
we
the
go.
summer. I need to go pull them out because they're ready to come out.
So now what's going on? See, I don't visually understand.
What am I looking at?
What did I do? So this is 1, These are scale of 2. What is actually going on? What's
Show
going
preview.
Fudge.
Oh, I see it there. Okay. The show preview.
Platform.
All right. I didn't have that option, so I don't know, man. Maybe I just need to upgrade it, update it to the newest version. I don't know. I don't care. Not important. It's already working.
X cord.
Maybe not in Linux. I don't know, man. Are we collabing this month? What are we doing? What should I do
Wait,
for this? I don't know, man.
that could be the
I'm just
problem.
trying to, I gave you the option of trying to have a conversation every day, and when we had like 3 days worth of conversations, and we never actually got to the point where we were planning out what we wanted to make. I asked you earlier, and you said as long as I'm doing the art, so I just fixed up my first set of artwork. It's already pushed to GitHub. I put the link in the chat.
X cord. Hold
What do you
on,
think I
bro.
should be doing next? At this point, I'm just like, okay, well, I'll just write some JavaScript and try and figure out how to cut up the image using JavaScript and then animate it out. CSS and JavaScript probably. What do you think I should be doing? What do you want to do? You didn't say the link on the
Position.
copy size.
Oh, we're not including a text cord.
Okay.
That's the problem. Well, if we're going to scale these up, then we need to... Okay, that's the problem. That's why I'm not seeing what's going on. All right.
How much has changed? Is it just this? Oh, the HTML changed a little bit. Let me go ahead and...
I don't know what's going on now. No, it's not GL point cord because it's a voxel. Oh. So just undo. So now we got to figure that out. Okay. All right. Hold on. That's the whole problem, and I'm trying. That's the whole problem in me trying to
There we go. Do we use Canvas? I don't know.
troubleshoot. I can't
Can't
even talk right now. Okay, so length minus diffraction. Okay, now we're getting somewhere.
Yes,
Floor of UV. Okay. So it is. Okay.
So do you want to do some planning then?
Oh, so maybe it's working.
Today? Now?
Oh my god, I can't believe it's working and I'm just being an idiot. Okay. Everything's fine, chat. Everything is fine.
Whatever. We'll do a planning markup
Everything
here,
is fine. I can't believe that.
I don't know
Okay,
what I
so
should-
this is
I should
fine.
call it something else, but planning for
We're gonna
now.
go with the offset here. Violet shades. Hello, Violet
First
shades.
of all, I've got
How are you? Oh shit! What did I just hit? Son of a bean dip.
It's like pound something or
What did I just do? Hello? I can't see what I just did.
markup.
Welcome to the stream. Isn't it right here's what I'm supposed to do? No, it's so confused right now.
Syntax.
Is it Alt? Alt Shift? Yeah. Okay.
Mark
I didn't
down,
hit Alt. I hit
got it,
some other
okay,
key.
whatever.
God, I'm just an idiot. Idiot sometimes. Okay. Okay, so let's take this out.
What would be like Mike Tyson's
Take this
Punch-Out?
out.
I mean,
So it's working. I can't believe it's working, and I'm sitting here trying to figure out. So what I was thinking that it wasn't working from,
I think Mike Tyson's Punch
I
Out is
thought it
probably
would
fairly
just,
similar.
yeah.
Do they dance around and randomly slap the player?
Okay, so let me,
Let's take. I mean,
let me.
I'll show you. We can take a look at both, right? I don't know. I've never played it, but we
Let
can take a
me
look
do
at
this.
it, right?
I'm getting to the end of a frustrating thing that I just figured out. So I'm sorry. I'm just okay.
Once it all goes away,
I don't know how to tell you this, but it's working.
Apparently, like the
It's been working since I first tried the code you gave me.
Okay. So
The
we see
problem
there is some dancing
was
around.
with
There's a bit of a
okay,
dodge
Quantum.
mechanic to
I
it.
gotta concentrate, but you gotta be on mute. Okay. It's been working since I first tried the code you gave me. The problem was with the shader function that I am using to shade the surfaces of the voxel. Please take a look at the shader as I am using the text cord, which is defined in the C++ class data that I send to OpenGL. using, oh my god, instanced rendering of a cube. Okay, as I'm using the text version to find and see the last data, can you help me modify this shader to show a flat surface instead of repeating the platform along the text chords like it currently does? In other words, my brain is mush. Can you help me with this function? From troubleshooting for an hour and a half over something that it was working. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. I cannot believe I spent the last hour and a half doing that. Glad to hear the maximal merging logic is working. It's perfectly... I was trying to make my own game with C++ and SDL. I'm trying to rewrite my game engine using Vulkan. Oh god. Vulkan? Why would you do that? Oh god. Vulkan. I would not do that. As well as C++ and SDL, do you have any experience with Vulkan? Yes, I do have experience with Vulkan, which is exactly why I say don't do it. But I see you use ChatGPT for help as well. I do not use ChatGPT. I used to. I now use Gemini. I also have gone through a year of using Microsoft Copilot, which is from Bing. I quit using GPT when it was just a weird quirk. I would probably still be using ChatGPT, except for I was paying for it, and then all of a sudden they fired Sam Altman, and something happened with my payment, and I was like, okay, I can't pay them. I wasn't able to pay them for a short time. So I discovered that when you click on Edge, that Bing is available. So I've been using Copilot for a while. And then as I'm watching right now, I was watching Quantum, who went through a lot of AIs a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. And anyways, he turned me on to Gemini. And I've been using Gemini ever since. But that's not really a big deal. I was just... anyways. Yeah. Okay, so the issue you're seeing is classic when moving blocks in large movement, especially instance rendering causes the repetition. The original shader function used text chord, which ranges from 0 to 1 over the unit's cube's face to calculate a tiling pattern using fractality and length. When your block is a scale of 1, the geometry remains small, and the pattern is applied across one phase. And geometry scale of 5, geometry scale of the text chord still only goes from 0 to 1. For this reason, your original 1x1 blocks appear scaled up 5 times, and the pattern is now repeated 5 times across the merged face, creating the tiling effect. Your money is not valid there. Meatball one. Welcome to the stream, you guys. I don't know who most of you are. Okay, the solution solid color outputs in school. The merge block simply demonstrated. I provided the corrected platform function below. Wait, right here? Right here? Oh. Ooh. Hold on. Check if the block is just standard terrain, prep form, most of it's commented out. What are you doing? If the shader type is 2, we want a solid flat color. The previous logic involved text chord causing the pattern to tile across the merged scale blocks. Oh. Oh. There's also Claude. Seems to be decent. Then again, I use LLMs as an absolute last resort after anything and everything has failed. Oh. This is the most that I've used AI again for a while. But yeah, I just kind of, I don't know. I view it as a total partner. Just like, I don't really work on prompt engineering. I just literally, top of my head, tell it exactly what's going on. And I just, from my experience with it, also goes into that, I guess you could say. So I guess there's prompt engineering kind of built into that from my experience with it, but anyways, okay, so platform, it just totally, completely guts the shader. Well, I already have a shader for that. I already have a shader that does that.
You gonna walk your dog? Okay. I need a minute to figure out how to do Markdown again.
I was going to use Vulkan because isn't OpenGL deprecated, and
Well,
isn't it
how
good
you
to
guys
learn
even-
something that'll be around for a while? Or am I thinking about it
Please,
wrong?
If you don't know who Raimu is,
OpenGL is not going anywhere anytime soon. No.
I don't know how
Not.
often they stream, but they
Believe me, this is the reason I moved to OpenGL. Of course, I did move to it about 7 years ago, 8 years ago, because I was using the game creator's Dark GDK to make my stuff, and then something happened and I couldn't compile anymore, some kind of an update, and I was just like, you know, I'm not even using the bare bones. I wanted to learn how the GPU worked. I wanted to get down to the low level. So I took that opportunity to just start all over with OpenGL, and I don't know, I've been happy ever since.
Interesting.
I know that if you learn OpenGL first, which I highly recommend, you will actually understand Vulkan a little bit more. Like, I understand a very, very small subset of Vulkan.
I would figure the fiber is part of the cable.
But I only put my toe in the stream just because I was just like, yeah, so I only understand enough to know that I don't want to do it. Yeah. But you could. It's, you know. You probably want to watch Cake Z. I think his Cake Z77 is the name of his stream. I think he uses Vulkan, but I don't know if he uses OpenGL. I used to watch him all the time, but he started using Vulkan, and I was like, I'm gone, bro.
All I mean is that it's the same company still selling you the new thing.
OpenGL is not deprecated, especially for simple projects. It makes much more sense to write for OpenGL. Vulkan is for when you need that last 10% of performance for very, very complex rendering. Stuff you as a solo dev will most certainly not need for a long time. Very well said.
No longer a monopoly.
Also, OpenGL is a graphics standard that will get you familiar with things like... I don't know how the console APIs work, but if you can learn OpenGL API...
Really, what should be happening is that the
Fiber?
cable lines, along with the fiber optic lines, along with any other lines that go to your house, should be managed by the government, and the cable company should be renting from them. Like the phone lines are.
Oh, if only. We got a monopoly in my city.
But whatever.
There's only one cable company. I'm paying $160 for internet, bro.
That would definitely get rid of the monopoly issue we have.
Anyways. So, alright. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of... like, they have some really great stuff for starting with Vulkan, but basically what I learned from my intro to Vulkan was that what I wanted to do with OpenGL is just set up the same settings and use it every time, which that's what I do for OpenGL. I don't mess with my settings for OpenGL. I have a specific class for doing like the window, where's it at? Right here. System. This never changes. Like, drawing a window, initializing GLFW, initializing GLAD, all that other stuff, never changes. So switching to a more complicated system because you need more control makes no sense, because I don't even change OpenGL's settings in 7 years. So that is my take on it.
I'm not sure what... let's do.
Having said that, it's very similar to DirectX 12 in complexity. Like, you can learn DirectX 11, and then switching up to 12 is very similar to switching from OpenGL to Vulkan. Like, Vulkan is like DirectX 12 in complexity. And I was going to try DirectX 12 a long time ago, but then it got a lot more complex, and same thing. I was just like, no, I'm not going to do it. Because at one point I was studying DirectX 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I just went to the Dark GDK API. And yeah, but anyways, that was a long time ago. That's when Java was like 4. I think it's like 200 now. Kidding. But anyways, I've been coding a long time. Long time. Love your long time. Okay, so what are we doing now? So this actually works. So the thing to do is, for all the flack it gets, DirectX newer versions 9 and above are actually decent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's been so long since I left DirectX, though. It's like, I think when it switched to version 10,
Okay, so let's look at
I went to Dark GDK and started playing around there. And I never really got into 3D stuff, and I was just way, you know. Yeah, it was just, yeah. But anyways. So why don't we go here? Floor UV. Text cord. Oh, because the scale is what it is. Okay, so... let's say it like this. I was... Forgot that the texture coordinates are in there. We'll let the AI think about that for a second. I forgot about texture coordinates. It's been so long.
Bar, let, or const, I guess.
Position, color, okay. Texture coordinates. They're right here. So when we scale it, the texture coordinates get scaled, right? That's great feedback. Cleaner to fix the texture coordinate calculator during a positive at this point. What? Oh. Removed floor as it's unused. Fix changed frax UV to UV to eliminate tiling. That's it. Oh. Excuse me. So removed floor. So we're not going to use ID? The ID equals... Oh, okay. Hold on. We don't. I don't think we use ID. Do we use ID? CID equals that there and fract. Oh, I see. Using only the fractional part. So what? Hold on. CID equals 1 length minus length of vector 0.5 minus that. But if this isn't half the scale, like if that's like 5.
With the whole engine, there's not much to it. TV Josh is going to help. I'm not sure what TV Josh is going to do.
Hold on, let's
he's
just...
walking the dog right now. He'll be back and he'll give me some input on what...
Let's go like this. Let's leave this back.
As it is, I'm just trying to get some basic setup going. I want to try and get the image cropped.
Where to God, don't get old. It doesn't pay off. Platform. Let's just use platform 2.
Cycle through the spot in each image, in the one image, because there's one giant image here. Cycle through,
okay.
Cycle through each section
Platform
of this.
2.
It shows only this part first, and then this part, and then this part. You know, like a typical animation would.
Assuming that doesn't break stuff. I don't know.
I should probably do a little more cleanup at some point, but whatever. We'll get started here, and we'll do more cleanup later if I really need to.
Oh, wait. What? Look at that. Well, that's an interesting shader. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Look at that. That's
WebGL. Well, TV Josh mentioned Canvas, so I'm starting with Canvas. We can take a look.
Okay.
So we got WebGL here.
So I think if we try...
Yeah, that'll work too, it looks like.
I think if we try the solid one.
Can be used in HTML canvas elements, okay.
Let me look at solid real quick though. What does solid use? Cube color, color, S type. That's just cube color. Oh, it goes with the texture coordinate. So that's also. So I wonder if I could just, I mean, are we, do we text chord, color, type, grid.
Okay.
Grid equals S grid. Ah, scale. So what's S grid? What the hell? I don't think I'm using that anymore. At least not for this one. So when I'm initializing this, if I can go into okay, here. Position, scale.
But again, once TV
Scale
this is
equals
something I had
that.
to verify with TV, not verify. But
Then
like,
it changes the scale, right? And then we can just okay.
Josh on
Hold
which
on.
direction we're going to go with it.
B scale. Okay, so let's go F
Canvas
grid
is up here as
because
an
we're not
option,
using S
Canvas.
grid. Let's go B scale.
WebGL is up here
F grid is
as
what?
an
It's a
option.
float.
And when TV Josh gets
They're both
back,
the
I'll
same.
ask
So
him
hold
to
on.
either do WebGL or Canvas, and then we
B
can work
is
from there.
scale dot
That's
X.
my approach at this point. Why in the world is my
I think that'll work. Then grid, we can go into here.
So goddamn sparkly. All the time.
What is he doing? What is going on now? So we're gonna scratch this platform too.
For now, I guess. Let's see.
So solid.
I'm gonna put some more commenting out.
Now we get the scale. Oh, so I wonder if we could do that at use platform. So actually what we could do, since we just got scale in the S grid
Slap.
variable, right? So F grid, okay, sorry, F grid. So platform here, computer, I need to apply what I just, where's platform? I need to do this before my brain forgets what's going on. Okay, so text chord, okay, divided by F grid.
Canvas.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take a break right now for a few seconds. Divide by 3, carry the 1. Kidding. I think that'll work. Hold on.
This should probably be the README for that matter.
No? Wait. Ah, see, that's what I was expecting to see now. How come there's such small ones, though? Look at the small ones. This is cool. Okay, this is a little bit... What the hell?
Keyboard,
It looks...
interface,
I didn't intend for it to look like this.
and this needs
The heck is going on? Okay, this is more what along the lines of
button.
what I was hoping to get. However, it's still messed up, isn't it?
Space, maybe? Probably space.
No? Yes? I don't know.
I don't know if Markdown for shit, so I need to go back and refresh how to do Markdown.
So if
'cause
I
it's
go
all
into
just
here
headers at this
and
point.
look at here.
Anyway,
So now it's only drawing that many blocks. So, okay, that's cool. Okay. So...
all right, man. All right.
Okay, so that works. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit because it works now. I stressed myself out by not figuring out what I was doing, and I'll be right back. Oh, stretching! Oh my god, stretching!
You fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Why is this bad? This is about as good as it's gonna get. Oh well, whatever. The green screen, it's just so freaking annoying. Anyway. Malthus, should I rename Head Explodes to Head Explode? Like, if it's easier to remember the other one versus this one, you may as well. Just give me a heads up. That's all I need. It's a very quick edit. Dodge buttons. Okay. Alias one to the other. A heads up. Nice pun. Do you want it to be heads up instead?
Okay, where's the thing? Hold on.
No, I don't know if I want to alias one to the other. But that's reasonable. But I mean, for a lot of these, we'd have multiple aliases because nobody can ever remember them, apparently. I don't know why, but it seems that's the case. Even the guy who requested them. You said heads up about a meme where the head explodes? No, wait, no. I was asking what, because you're the one who requested those memes. I was asking if you wanted me to change the. Okay.
Well, this sucks.
Change the title, the shortcut to the meme from "head explodes" plural. It's not really plural, but it's kind of plural. I think there's a different syntactical word for it, but whatever. Head explodes to head explode. They're fine as they are. All right, fine. WebGL sounds terrible. There we go. TV Josh is back. Unless you know a lot more than I do about it, I know Jack and shit about it, you know. And Jack left town. You know. I don't think I have that meme. I don't have that meme. Yeah, no, I don't have that. Anyway, but I'm just writing down things that we need to be working on at some point here. Let's start there. Let's give this a push. So does the README look like Markdown over here then? Yeah, it does. More or less. I have bubblegum, right? There it is.
Come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Anyway, so TV Josh, your preferred approach is not WebGL, but rather Canvas. You prefer Canvas because you have some experience with it, I take it? I mean, I have none.
Okay, we got just enough time here for me to close it out.
So far back that I don't remember any of it.
This was a successful actual coding stream. Thanks for tuning in.
Not really.
Nice to meet you guys.
No, you just said.
Thanks
you
for
just
the
said
extra
WebGL
follows
says
and
no.
everything from
Yeah,
everybody.
that's right, too. Okay.
I'll be back later. I got to work tomorrow at 6:30 in the morning, and I'm going to eat right now and pass out and take a nap. Whatever we're going to do. So.